A drip battle. Today, we're embarking on a journey of sample goodness. Join the Discord. You can upload samples in the sample stream, and the instructions and the sample that we choose will be in the drip battle. Just make a 45-second long song with the sample in any creative way, and you submit your SoundCloud link. Hashtag submissions. I like all these, but there's a section of this.
I think you're going. Much easier. Don't get taken. Go that way. You'll be malfunctioning within a day, you nearsighted scrap pile.
Yeah.
What mission? What are you talking? Settlements over there. Don't get technical with me. What mission? What are you talking about? I've just about had enough of you.
That's perfect.
Don't get technical with me. What mission? What are you talking? Don't get technical with me.
Let's get an intro rolling in here.
Don't get technical with me.
You meet these. I'm gonna work in C sharp minor today. F, E, D sharp, D, C sharp. I get one of those Dripment subs real quick. Can't forget one of those Dripment subs. What'd you know about the fade and the filter? Getting the fade and the filter. We need some movement. Must need tops. We need to reduce ambience. We need to remove this noise in the background. That worked pretty good. That'll do. That'll do. All right, Serum effects, start pumping. Bring it in, bring it home. Know what it is. So we're gonna get multis, distorsiones, filtration. Beep, 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 beep. Sound like a water droplet. We need this to sound not like a water droplet. Even though that's on brand, we will not allow it. It's better. That's a tripod charger. That click. Fix a little bit of that tag SSC. These sound like two little hits right here. Separation. Let's see. Woohoo! Okay. Our convolver, reverb. Now we might want to distort before loud. So we're going to try both. Let's see what's good. Let's fucking get down with some of these right here. Okay. And then I'm going to bring the sound into a Serum and use the sound as a wavetable in Serum, and then try to make like a growl out of it, or like a, you know, a bass that moves more, basically. I'll drag that boy. Oh. Okay, and we'll do dynamic pitch follow. We're gonna crossfade them. Maybe fade the edges. That'll probably be clean. Now we have a wavetable here. Actually, it's gotta add some. We're gonna add the OTT VST, and we're gonna add a saturator. Now we're gonna scrub through. We can start FMing. Some random tail, really. Start adding lots of movement up in this. Ooh. Gotta make some of that crunchiness. So let's try diode 2. A little bit of filter motion. That's some cool metallics. Oh, thank you for the follow. Thank you so much for the follow. Let's go. Oh, he's an angry boy. He's like, boy, you better. C3, chill, C3. You're getting a little bit angry, C3. We're gonna add some FM to you. Are you gonna get even angrier? We'll add a monster. We'll put a freaking monster in you. We're gonna just put it in. Sorry, C3. Sorry. C3, the monster's making you crazy! I need to kill the bass out of this bad. Holy crap. Don't let your lows clash, man. It'll be a bad time for everybody. Thank you for the follow. You guys are off the chain. Okay. We need some vocals bad right now. Some phrases, baby, phrases. Enough phrases now. What you know about the phrases now?
I've just about had enough of you.
"25 minutes left, everybody. Just let you know, 25 minutes left."
What mission? Don't get technical with me. I've just about had enough of you.
Yo, check out these wavetables I made with, bro, these came out so sick. So in Serum, you can drag in the sample and use it as a wavetable. So that's what I did here for these sounds. And then also for this growl. So R2D2 is one of them. This is R2D2. And then C3PO is, once again, throw it in here. You edit to make the wavetable clean. And then you can go through the wavetable position and make some new sounds.
Don't get technical with me.
Don't get technical with me.
I've just about had enough of you. Don't get technical with me.
I think that's it right there, man. I think that's it right there. Hey, I love Friday. First submission in, Vlad.
What mission? What are you talking about? I've just about had enough of you.
Let's go. Hey, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. We got LMDC with Trashy C3PO and R2D2 thingy. Dripment first battle, LOL.
I've just about had enough of you.
Oh shit.
Get technical with me.
Nice. Good job. We got Drip Battle 1 by Sna.
You've got an ass, I'll kick it! Again with the squeaky shoes.
Oh yeah. Ooh. Next is Hector with What Mission?
What mission? What are you talking about?
That's pretty good, man. That's pretty good. Used the sample really well there too. It was like, okay. And lastly, we got Stirrers with Bicolium. Let's get it done. Stirrers.
Don't get technical with me. What mission? What are you talking about?
Ooh, sick.
Enough of you.
Yes. Very good, guys. Very good. That's how we get it done. Have a great day. I'll see you guys later. And I will keep you guys updated in the Discord for the winners. Stay tuned. See you guys.